What's up guys, now the Renaissance Man here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to skateboard down the driveway. First quick tips, have someone beside you when you're doing this so you don't fall off, so you can hold them for balance. Second, make sure you're comfortable with your board, you know how to skateboard, yeah, and you know how to balance on your board. And second, don't let the nervousness stop you from doing this. When you're get all the nervousness out of your system, like scream or do whatever. Just get it out of your system. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go down the driveway now. I'll demonstrate how you can do it. But when you go down, have someone beside you again, and don't let the nerves take you off the board so you don't go down, and have your balance. You don't want to put weight on the front, otherwise it won't even go off. So you just want to let your board do the work, and you don't want to pressure. You don't want to pressure it, otherwise your board will go flying forwards and you'll fall back. So let me demonstrate how I do it. Okay, so if you saw that, I didn't do anything special. I didn't do an Ollie, or I didn't lift up the front or anything. I just went for it. I didn't really do anything special or any tricks to get off the driveway. So, I hope this taught you something new on your skateboard, how to go down the driveway. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up for encouraging me to make more videos, and subscribe. And make sure to send this to your friends to maybe subscribe to my channel. You know, you can never have too many subscribers. And bye.